When Foreign Minister Shah Mahmood Qureshi has addressed the emergency meeting of the United Nations General Assembly called to discuss Israel's devastating violence against the Palestinians, May 20, 2021. Prime Minister Imran Khan announces extension of fixed tax regime for Daesh sector till end 2021. Construction. Who is the current chairperson of the Benazir Income Support Program? Dr. Sania Nishtar. Pakistan has been elected to the UN Committee for Program and Coordination by which UN body? Security Council. Who is the current captain of Pakistan women's cricket team? Bisma Maroof. How many foreign personalities got Nishane-Pakistan? 27. In which city Bilawal Bhutto Zardari inaugurated Labour City? Sakhar. Green Loan Scheme launched in which province of Pakistan? Punjab. According to the Election Commission of Pakistan, the turnout of General Election 2018 for the National Assembly was 55%. The current Foreign Secretary of Pakistan is Suhail Mahmood. Azakhel Dry Port has recently been inaugurated in which city? Nowshera. Which country has permitted Dubai royals to hunt Hubara bustard? Pakistan. Who has been elected Speaker of GB Assembly? Amjad Hussain Zaidi. This is Dash Hijri 1442. Which High Court suspended the membership of two MPAs over rising dog bite cases in their constitutes on 18 March 2021? Sindh High Court. What is the retirement age in KPK government employees? 60 years. Amjad Hussain Zaidi has been elected Speaker of the GB Assembly. He belongs to which political party? PTI. Which of the following current Chief Minister of Gilgit-Baltistan? Khalid Khurshid Khan. Which of the following current opposition leader of Sindh Assembly? Halim Adil Sheikh. Who is the Governor of Balochistan? Justice Amanullah Khan Yasin Zai. Who is the current Chief Justice of Azad Jammu and Kashmir High Court? Justice Sadakat Hussain Raja. Who is the current IGP of Gilgit-Baltistan? Muhammad Saeed Wazir. When senior ANP leader Begum Naseem Wali Khan passed away? 16 May 2021. Saudi Arabia provides $- million for development projects in Pakistan in May 2021, $500 million. Which province chief minister is the country's richest MPA? KPK. Which of the following current chief minister of KPK? Mahmood Khan. Who is the new ambassador of Pakistan to Saudi Arabia? Lieutenant General Bilal Akbar. Who is the current permanent representative of Pakistan to United Nations? Munir Akram. Who is the current IG of Balochistan Police? Muhammad Tahir Rai. Who is the current IG of Punjab Police? Inam Ghani. Who is the first information officer of Punjab Police Information Branch, like Media Wing? Suhail Akhtar Sukhera. Who is the current IG of New Railways Police? Captain Arif Nawaz Khan. Who is the current IG of KPK Police? Sanaullah Abbasi. Who is the current IG of Azad Kashmir Police? Salahuddin Khan Mahsood. Who is the current IGP of Gilgit-Baltistan? Saeed Wazir. Who is the current IG of National Highways and Motorway Police? Dr. Syed Kaleem Imam. Who is the current IG of Islamabad Police? Qazi Jamilur Rahman. Who is the current IG of Sindh Police? Mushtaq Ahmed Meher. Who has recently replaced Shoaib Dastagir as IG of Punjab? Inam Ghani. Who is the current chairman of the National Transmission and Dispatch Company? Nabil Ismail. Who is the current managing director of Sui Northern Gas Pipelines Limited? Ali Javed Hamdani. Who has recently been appointed as the new chairman of FBR? Asim Ahmed. Who is the chairman of the FATF Coordination Committee of Pakistan? Hamad Azhar. Who is the current deputy chairman of Senate? Mirza Muhammad Afridi. The current chairman of the Senate of Pakistan is Sadiq Sanjrani. Who is the head of Economic Advisory Council? Prime Minister. Senate Chairman and Deputy Chairman elections 2021 held on 12th March 2021. Who is the present Chief of Air Staff of Pakistan? Marshal Zahir Ahmed Babar.